What you looking at?
What you say?
What you looking at?
Obviously my fucking phone screen.
Bitch, first of all.
You liking what you see? If you do, then go and follow me. Yeah. Hey, what I said. Hit that sub button and that bell. Yeah. Period. She underscore her genetics. Video with me live the show.
What's up, Thought Pockets, and welcome back to my channel for another freaking video, bitch. Like, period. So as you can tell by the title of this video today, bitch, we gonna be getting the girls riled up again. Like, that's all we do, bitch. Like, you know, bitch, cause see, that shit just come out of nowhere. Like, when we think about getting these bitches riled up, we don't fucking play, bitch. We love to get the girls riled up, y'all, but it's only for entertainment. I do love all of my queens. Like, I'm gonna be asking them what they looking at, and I want their honest opinion, because like, bitch, I remember cause like I remember that video where the bitch said I look like a fucking cow, bitch. Like, fucking move, bitch. Like, the bitch said I look like a cow. So if that's what you see when you see me dead, I guess I look like a fucking cow, bitch. Da. But I'm gonna be asking the girls like what you looking at, and try to get their response to see what they see. Like, I mean, hopefully it's somebody on there that be like, you know, I'm looking at a chocolate drop melanin queen. That's probably something that the guys will say, but I know the girls probably get riled up. But we're gonna do the girls today. Let me know down below in the comment section if you want me to do the guys and see what their reaction would be, you know, what they looking at, like what they see when they see me. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the girls riled up, bitches. I know y'all ready because my Thought Pockets stay ready, so y'all ain't even gotta get ready because we ready. So let's go. Notification gang shout outs today be Risma Platt says notification gang Puriana. Period. Like, my Thought Pockets be coming up with all the fucking lingo, all the fucking slang. So y'all bitches lit. Like, we done got peed, we done got goddamn Puriana. Like, bitches, y'all lit. And we also have Colin Smith J says, welcome back, boo, notification game, period. Feels so good to be back. Thank y'all so much for being a part of that notification gang. If you want to be shouted out in my upcoming videos, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. And then of course, comment down below, notification gang. You might be in my next video, you never know. I don't know, we gonna see. But yeah, let's go ahead, jump right into the video, get these bitches riled up.
Hi.
What you looking at? What you looking at?
Nothing. Why, you got a problem?
I do, and time.
No.
She ain't got the side, bitch. She said no. What you looking at?
You're the only thing on this damn camera.
Who you talking to?
You, the fuck?
You ain't talking to me? The fuck? No, you're not. No, you're not. Check your tone, first of all.
Bitch.
Bitch. Fuck you with your fine ass.
Thank you. You are too.
Thank you. Oh, now she wanna fucking follow me. Bitch, don't fucking play with me. Don't play with me. Like, girl, bye. Hey, bye. Hey, bye, bitch. Hey. Cause bitch, I don't know, I like that. You know, I try not to call her out her name, but she called me a bitch first, so you know, if I'm a bitch, then you're a bitch. But it's just like, you cute. So I don't want you to be a bitch, but bitch, you a bitch, cause you called me a bitch. Now she wanna follow me. Girl, don't follow me because I'm not following you back. I'll swing that through.
What's up with it?
What you looking at?
You. I'm telling him to look at you.
Oh,
You ain't gotta do all that.
for airtime, first of all. Airtime.
Which one away?
Cause first of all, who you gonna answer with?
First of all, you doing too much.
First of all, second of all, you doing too much. You doing too much. Get your friend, get your sister, get whoever that is. Tell her I'm.
At the end of the day, you cute.
I know, period, and you cute too. So I don't even know what the hype about. got a girlfriend?
Thank you. No.
Want one? Period.
Hi.
What you looking at, Lily?
Why is my what?
What are you looking at?
You're really pretty.
Thank you. So are you. That was sweet, Lily. Lily, that was so sweet. See, like, I need me some white friends, y'all. I need some friends in real life, period. But y'all, I really need me some white friends, because it's like, y'all, no matter what y'all throw at them bitches still gonna be happy. Like, what you looking at? You're so pretty. Like, I need friends like that. Lily, we cool, Lily.
Hope you broke it out. It hurt. Yes, ma'am. You're pretty.
What you looking at?
I said you're pretty.
Oh, thank you. You pretty too.
I just want to get an attitude. Right?
Was.
Hello.
What you looking at?
Huh?
What you looking at?
I'm looking at
My
your
food?
black eyes. I don't know what you looking at.
Add time, cause that bitch in the back gonna get fucked up. Don't fucking play with me. Did y'all hear her talk about I'm looking at your black bitch? First of all, I'm nothing to play with. Don't fucking play with me, because I could be the sweetest person on earth, but I could be the meanest bitch ever. Don't fucking disrespect me like that. First of all, bitch, I'm not here to play no games with you hoes. Period. What you looking at?
What you say?
What you looking at?
Obviously, my fucking phone screen.
Bitch, first of all, what are you cursing for? Add time, bitch. Y'all, I need to take a moment. Y'all, these bitches playing me, y'all. Like, these bitches really said my fucking hair fake. And these bitches like, I know that. Bitch, I know that. Lily, they fucking it up for you, Lily. I was just saying good shit about white people. And these bitches coming for me. These bitches at my fucking neck. They at my neck, Lily. Lily. I was rooting for y'all. And now these bitches fucking it up for all of y'all. See, now, see, I had high hopes. I really did. I had high hopes.
You're pretty.
What you looking at?
I said you're pretty.
Thank you. You pretty too. Yeah, she was just like so freaking shy. She was like, but I said you pretty. Oh. What you looking at?
The screen.
Bitch, why you turning up your face like that? Don't do that.
Cause like, bitch, what do you
Bitch. Bitch.
It's paparazzi. Oh, what up? I had time.
What you looking at?
What you looking at? Excuse me. What? Like, how old are you?
How old are you?
I'm grown. That's all you need to know. How old are you?
You're not grown if you have to say you grown.
I'm 19. Grown. Now how old are you?
Not grown.
Grown. Now how old are you?
You're not grown.
Chill out.
First of all, baby, if you gotta convince me that you grown, baby, you not grown.
Hello, sis. Yes, what the hair?
What you looking at?
What?
What are you looking at?
Bitch, you.
Bitch, fuck you. I'll beat you the fuck up. Don't play with me. Like, girl, bye. Y'all bitches think y'all sleep trying to ease them fucking bitches in there. No, before the time run out, I'm gonna say you what the fuck I gotta say. Even if I gotta talk like that, bitch. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna censor out all these bitches, but I've been saying bitch a lot in this video. I'm sorry.
You're really pretty.
What you looking at?
I said that you were pretty.
You're pretty.
No, you're pretty.
No, you're pretty. Ass on, bitch. Don't fucking play with me. Like, you ain't gonna goddamn be in a contest with me going back and forth about who's pretty, bitch. Cause you're pretty, bitch. You know. What you looking at?
Are you? I'm a fast bitch. You looking at?
You what?
You wet?
What you said? Bitch, don't fucking try to ask time, bitch. Cause first of all, don't try to play me. Don't try to play me.
What's up?
Don't try to play me, bitch.
Don't you know?
Bitch, don't try to fucking play me.
You're so pretty. I like your eyelashes.
You're pretty. I like your everything.
You are. Look at your hair, girl.
Girl, look at your teeth. Look at your smile. Like you're so.
Look at your white ass teeth, girl.
Look at your white ass teeth, girl.
That bitch. That's a.
Yo, I'm gonna see her like this girl gassing me up. She said that's a bad bitch. She said I'm a bad bitch, y'all. Oh. She said I'm a bad bitch. Period. Like, y'all heard it here first. I'm not making this shit up. Like she said it. If she said I'm a bad bitch, bitch, I'm a bad bitch. Period.
Hi.
What y'all looking at?
Damn, bitch.
Bitch, fuck you. Fuck you. Bitch. Y'all bitches round up. These bitches round up. Like. She said something about my screen, y'all. I told y'all my phone cracked on my phone. This bitch said cheap ass screen, bitch. I know, it's cracked.
Oh my god, you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. What y'all doing?
Oh my god, she looking up.
What? She said she's so pretty. She look like a catfish. How do I look like a catfish and I'm sitting right here?
This was his. A catfish.
Bitch, I'll beat you the fuck up. Don't play.
Bitch, I'll beat your ass up. She's a regular ass up. Bitch, you got a stiff ass motherfucking wig on your head, bitch. You gotta be in black and cruise on the inside.
They roasted me real quick for the quick. Cause they roasted me real quick for the quick. Like why these folks coming for me? Stop trying to play me, y'all. Stop trying to play me.
Bitch, you ugly.
Bitch, fuck you. You sound ugly. What you looking at, Sierra?
I'm still trying to figure that out.
Why you rolling on that like that? Shit. Bitch, don't fucking play. Alright, y'all, cause these bitches on here, they coming for my ass. Girls aren't playing today, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here so I can go ahead and edit real quick and try to upload this for y'all today. Yeah, I love y'all so much. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out so you can go ahead and become a thought pocket so we can be here, bitch. Like, period. If you enjoyed this video, I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy some of my other videos because they all lit, bitch. I promise. So go check out some of my other videos. And yeah, love y'all. Stay beautiful, stay humble, stay sweet, stay kind, bitches. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Later, thought pockets.